My name is Kevin Meehan, and I'm the president of Edge Technologies in St. Louis, Missouri. We are a machine tool company that's heavily involved in manufacturing, specifically automation solutions to CNC lathes and also coolant mist filtration systems. October is National Manufacturing Month. I think it's an opportune time to talk about what is modern manufacturing, and also how do we inspire the next generation to want to get involved in manufacturing and make it their career. Today we'd like to talk about knowledge sharing. Training is critical in a company like Edge Technologies because every aspect of what we do is technical, from our sales engineering to our internal operation here in production planning and production and procurement, to the actual installation and after-sale technical support. A lot is going on, and we have to train our newer associates with on-the-job training, which we've also been able to enhance and augment with technologies like YouTube and Zoom.